Hello students, my name is Ayush and I am your teacher at Army Public School, Prayagraj, Old Kind. Okay, and this video lecture is starting for class 10th students. Okay, for you guys, it's a paper of named IT. What? Named IT Information Technology. So this video lecture is for IT and course code is 402. 402. It's a skill subject for you guys and and that start one more thing, there are some instructions for you. First of all, you should all have a copy, pen, so that you can note down your doubts in this subject. You don't have to be very panic about, because it's a very easy subject and there's not any too much triple about it. Okay, yeah, it's my pick and this is my designation in your school. So let's start. So this is chapter 1, I mean lecture 1. For the chapter 1 I will give you a little bit introduction about the subject, and it's for class 10th. Okay, for class 10th students. So this is again an information page so that you will came to know which kind of lecture is gonna be hold. So this is an introduction about your subject. Your subject is information technology, as I told you earlier. If you have any kind of problem related book that you don't have book, so please message me. If you don't have book, so please message me. I will give you the PDF document. PDF stands for portable document file. Okay, so I will provide you a proper PDF about it, and this PDF file contains all book. Okay, so आपकी पूरी बुक होगी इसमें, तो आपको टेंशन लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. You don't have to worry about the book. If you just give me a single message, so you will get the book. Okay, and जो बुक की सोल्यूशन, जो बुक की एक्सरसाइजेज है, आपको खुद से करने हैं. कैसे करने हैं मैं बताऊंगा बहुत ही अच्छे से. आपका जो सिलेबस है वो 7 यूनिट्स में डिवाइडेड है. चैप्टर वाइज नहीं है, यूनिट वाइज है. और उसमें क्या क्या आपको कैसे कैसे आएंगे, इस सब के बारे में हम चर्चा करेंगे. So, आपका जो पहला चैप्टर है वो है फंक्शनल इंग्लिश. Whenever I see or listen this functional sub, I just only person that come in my mind is this Benedict Cumberbatch or Dr. Stephen Strange, if you know. So why I am saying this? Because in the role of Benedict Cumberbatch, there was a dialogue in which this functional word was used, and from there I just fan about him, Benedict Cumberbatch. Okay, I am a big fan of him. So this is when functional English, your chapter 1 or unit 1. Okay, so we are going to start for unit 1. Let me know if you watch the Sherlock Holmes series of him. Okay, sorry the slide. Okay, now we start. So this is your information technology. This is your information technology, and this is board from CBSE, and this is a PDF of your book. So here is your syllabus. Your syllabus and your subject code. Subject code is 402 and the syllabus is here. For first term you have to cover these 3 units, and for second term you have to cover these 4 units. Okay, so in these 3 units you have to study about the functional English. Functional English is English which you use in the daily life. Okay, in the language of daily life, and the language is which you use grammatically is little bit different, little bit more than little bit different, very different. Okay, so if I give you an example in Hindi, जैसे कि हम लोग हिंदी में बात करते हैं तो हम लोग कहते हैं ना कि कहाँ गए थे या ये सड़क कहाँ जाती है, तो इस तरह चीज़ों में कुछ चीज़ें पूछते हैं, तो इसमें हमारी जो ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक बहुत ज़्यादा होती है. इसमें हम लोग ध्यान नहीं देते कि हमारी ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक हो रही है. हम बस इस कोशिश पे रहते हैं कि जो हमारा सेंस है, जो हम बोलना चाहते हैं वो क्या हो. वो सामने वाला समझ जाए। अगर मैंने आपसे कहा कि हाँ ये सड़क कहाँ जाती है, तो आप ये कहोगे क्या कि यह सड़क रामबाग को जाती है, आप सीधे क्या कहोगे, भैया रामबाग जाती है। ठीक तो इस तरीके से जब हम इंग्लिश में भी आते हैं तो इंग्लिश में भी कुछ ऐसे की पॉइंट्स है जो हमें पता होने चाहिए जब हम कहीं जाते हैं, कहीं से इंटरेक्ट करते हैं किसी अननोन पर्सन से। तो हमें ग्रामेटिकली गलत सही होने की जरूरत नहीं है, ग्रामेटिकली सही होने की जरूरत नहीं है, बट हमें क्या होना चाहिए, हमें उसको अपनी बातें समझा देनी चाहिए। एक तो इंग्लिश का अपने इंडिया में हवा बहुत ज़्यादा बनाया जाता है कि भाई इंग्लिश आनी चाहिए, इंग्लिश आनी चाहिए। और डू बिलीव मी, आप एक अमेरिकन से जब इंग्लिश में बात करोगे, आप एक इंडियन से बात करोगे, तो आपको अमेरिकन से बात करना ज़्यादा इजी पड़ेगा इंग्लिश में, और एक इंडियन से बात करना ज़्यादा मुश्किल पड़ेगा। क्योंकि इंडिया में लोग एकदम सोचते हैं कि जितना आप तेज बोलो, जितना आप फ्लुएंटली बोलो, देन यू आर मोर बेटर, बट इट्स नॉट ट्रू। मेरा ये मानना है कि आपको रिलैक्स होकर बोलना चाहिए। आपके जो थॉट होने चाहिए, थॉट जो आपके मन में विचार आ रहे हैं, जो आप बोलने चाहते हो, वो थॉट्स आपके इंग्लिश में आने चाहिए। यो कई लोग को सुबह सुना है, कई लोग कहते हैं कि भैया हम क्या करेंगे, इंग्लिश हिंदी सुनेंगे, हिंदी सुनेंगे, उसको हिंदी में क्या करेंगे, ट्रांसलेट करेंगे। अरे भैया हिंदी को ट्रांसलेट करके थोड़ी इंग्लिश बोली जाती है। हाँ, चलो। Okay, so we will study from this chapter unit 1. Sorry, chapter is not, it's unit 1, functional English. Okay, and after that web application and then word processing and so on. Okay, so we have a lot time, we don't have to be panic. Okay, we have a lot time because it's just April. Okay, just April. From April to April we have 12 hours, sorry, 12 months. We have 12 months, so we will not have to panic, because if we cover one unit in a 1 month, then also we can complete this whole syllabus in just 7 months. Okay, so you don't have to be panic, we have a lot time. Okay, in practicals you have a project, viva, project file, report and portfolio, demonstration of skill in lab activity. Okay, तो ये आपका रहेगा लैब वर्क रहेगा। जब आपसे मेरा आमना सामना होगा, मुलाकात होगी, तब लैब के वर्क के बारे में बात कर लेंगे। फिलहाल शुरू करते हैं अपना चैप्टर 1 यानी यूनिट 1, फंक्शनल इंग्लिश। ओके, चलिए। फंक्शनल इंग्लिश, प्रैक्टिस एंड स्पीक द फ्लुएंट इंग्लिश। आपको प्रैक्टिस करनी है, आप लोग को आती है इंग्लिश बोलना, बट यू हैव टू प्रिफर दैट हाउ यू विल। So we have some sessions, we have 22 sessions, we have 22 sessions, but in this week, as you have very much workload, so I will teach you only 10 sessions. I will give you only 10 sessions. Why? Because we have a lot time. Okay, we have a lot time. And first session is ordering the food at restaurant, which is you can done. Okay, and second thing is making resolution. Third is talking about the change, and fourth is planning an outing, एंड ये है नरेटिंग अ स्टोरी। सो ये जो 5 आपके सेशन है, दीज 5 सेशन विल बी टेल बाय मी, एंड द लास्ट 5 फ्रॉम 6 to 10 is for you. It's some kind of homework. Okay, it's a kind of homework, but I will brief about it, nothing very serious. Okay, so first of all, ordering food at restaurant. How you can order a food in restaurant? Suppose that you are in a restaurant. Actually, restaurant is wrong pronunciation. It's a restaurant. It's the correct pronunciation is restaurant. So if you are in a restaurant and you wanted to place some order, then how you will? Okay, then how you will? अब ऐसा तो है नहीं भैया कि टपरी पे बैठे हो, ए छोटू एक प्लेट छोला समोसा और एक कप चाय लाना, ऐसा तो है नहीं ना। कहाँ हो आप, एक रेस्टोरेंट में हो, एक सोफिस्टिकेटेड जगह पे हो, तो सोफिस्टिकेटेड जगह पे आप क्या करोगे, सोफिस्टिकेटेड तरीके से काम करोगे। हाँ, अब ऐसा थोड़ी घर में रहते तो अलग तरीके से लैंग्वेज यूज करते हो, बाहर जाते हो तो अलग तरह से लैंग्वेज यूज करते हो। The same thing is here. You have to place an order at a restaurant. Okay, so before placing an order, before going to anywhere, you just have to some knowledge about that. Which kind of knowledge? Knowledge relevant to that topic. Okay, if you wanted to tell some story, and you wanted to narrate a story, if you want to do any kind of thing, then you should have a proper knowledge about it. Okay, इमेजिन यू आर एट अ रेस्टोरेंट। चलिए रेस्टोरेंट चलते हैं, यूट्यूब से आप कहाँ चले गए, आप रेस्टोरेंट में चले गए। ठीक है, इमेजिन यू आर इन रेस्टोरेंट, द वेटर केम टू ask what you'd like to have, and you have to order a plate of vegetable chow mein. How would you place the order? Think about it and try to frame some sentence to do so. Okay, मीन्स दैट क्या आप एक रेस्टोरेंट में बैठे हुए हो, बहुत अच्छे रेस्टोरेंट में बैठे हुए हो, ऐसी बात है, हमको 3-4 रेस्टोरेंट के नाम बता दीजिए जो आपके फेवरेट रेस्टोरेंट हैं, कमेंट बाय। ठीक, कहाँ आप जाते हो एक्चुअली रेस्टोरेंट में। अब एक्चुअली मेरी भी आदत पड़ी हुई है क्या, रेस्टोरेंट बोलने की, ठीक है, लेकिन आपको बोलना क्या है, रेस्टोरेंट, क्या बोलना है बेटा, रेस्टोरेंट बोलना है। ओके, तो आप लोग अपने किसी भी फेवरेट का आप नाम बता सकते हैं। सो imagine you are in a restaurant and the waiter comes to you and asks what you would like to have. So what you will tell, you should know these three things mainly when you order a dish in a restaurant. Then there is three kind of different portion, or you can say different things. What are they? There are some terms used. Okay, when we place an order there are some common terms used, कुछ common terms होते हैं जिसको हम use करते हैं, three category you can say that. Some of them are introduced here. These are some. Okay, after that, first of all, what is starter? Starter means the first course in the meal, means that when you get a meal then there is lots of stuff in it, but which kind of stuff you will choose the firstly. Okay, it's called it's called starter and appetizer. Okay, appetizers and starters. Okay, whenever you get the order from give order to a waiter, then you start with these things, starter. Okay, then uses, I would like to have fried vegetarian momos for starter, means that the customer wanted these vegetarian momos for the starter, means he will start his meal having with momos. Okay, after the starter there is main course. Main course is the primary or main dish in a meal. Actually this is the meal which we wanted to take, actually this is the meal which we wanted to take, but we start with starter. So what is this uses? I would like to have shahi paneer, chene pindi, I don't know what is this chene pindi, and raita and rumali roti for the main course. So what the user is saying, I would like to have shahi paneer, or chene pindi, I don't know, I never had this kind of dish. So and raita and rumali roti. So it's this a type of conversation in which it's placing his order, which order is placing for shahi paneer, chene pindi, raita and rumali roti. Okay, now dessert. What about the dessert? The final course of a meal. The final course of a meal is called dessert. It may be some fruit or sweet dish. Okay, so I would like to have kheer for dessert. I would like to have kheer for dessert means that हमने खीर खाई और क्या किया, अपने खाने को खत्म कर दिया, मतलब अपना हमने कहा कि भैया खाना खा लिया. Okay, now you have some keys word here. लाइक स्टार्टर में आपको चिली पोटैटोज लेने हैं, मेन कोर्स में आपको वेजिटेबल फ्राइड राइस एंड चिकन मंचूरियन विद ग्रेवी लेना है, एंड डेजर्ट में आपको चॉकलेट आइसक्रीम लेनी है और एक क्या लेना है, वाटर बॉटल लेनी है. इसका अभी हमें यूज करके कन्वर्सेशन सीखना है जो कि नीचे आपका दिया गया है. सो यू डोंट हैव टू वेरी अबाउट दैट. नाउ द यूज ऑफ ए एंड द. अब देखिए जैसे कि हमको पता है कि क्या होता है, ए का यूज कहाँ करते हैं, एंड यूज कहाँ करते हैं, द का यूज कहाँ करते हैं. ए का यूज करते हैं जहाँ पे क्या हो, कॉन्सोनेंट हो, कॉन्सोनेंट के पहले, इसको जनरली वोवेल के पहले. ओके, और द में क्या होता है, जब हमारे पास किसी एक को स्पेशल दिखाना होता है, क्या दिखाना होता है बेटा, स्पेशल. जब हमें किसी एक को स्पेशल दिखाना उसके लिए क्या यूज करते हैं, द का यूज करते हैं. देखते हैं इसका एग्जांपल. इस एग्जांपल देखते हैं. A false friend is worse than an enemy. E is what? A, E, I, O, U is a vowel. So before vowel I have used and before a consonant is A. Okay. You are a good teacher. You are the teacher who is going to teach English. What is the difference between a good teacher and the teacher? A good teacher means that there is more than one teacher. Good. Let me explain here. Suppose that there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the 6 teachers that you like the most. Okay, so for this sentence is that for you are a good teacher, it means that you are one of them. You are one of them that are good in your definition. Okay, in your definition, whatever good is, I don't know. And you are the teacher who is going to teach English. Among these teacher, you are the means you are specifying someone that you will teach English. Okay, you are specifying someone that you will teach English. So it means that the is used to specify only one, but for a group of peoples. Okay, now some exercise. Given below a conversation between a waiter and the customer at a restaurant, imagine that you are the customer. You will you fill in the blanks with the statement you like to make while talking to the waiter. Suppose that waiter comes to you and asks, "Are you ready to place your order, sir and ma'am?" So what you will say? You will say, "Yes. For starter, I would like to have whatever you wanted to." Yeah, it's chili potatoes. I would like for starter. I would like to have chili potatoes. So how many? You said just one plate. I will do. Oh, sorry, for just one plate will do. Better, okay. And then customer for main course. For main course, I will have vegetable fried rice and chicken Manchurian with gravy. Fried rice and chicken Manchurian with gravy. Okay, fill in the here, and then okay. Anything else, sir or madam? Accordingly, then you will say, yes, I would like to order a dessert. Order a dessert with chocolate ice cream. I would like to order dessert chocolate with chocolate ice cream. Okay, so what you have ordered? Better, okay, one chili potatoes, one vegetable fried rice, one chicken Manchurian with gravy, and one chocolate ice cream. Is it the correct, ma'am? Okay, so now it's specifying its gender, ma'am. So we are ma'am for here. Okay, till yet there was the madam and sir, and here is ma'am only. Okay, so customer will say yes, and then waiter, can I do anything? Can I get you anything else? If you want anything else, so what you will want? You will want a bottle of mineral water. You want a mineral bottle of mineral water. So what you will say? You will say one mineral water you one mineral water bottle. Okay, that will be all. Take one mineral water for you, and that will be all. Okay, so I think this session was very clear. Now what the assessment? Use of a and the where necessary. So this is your homework. There is lots of example, and from here you have to do it by yourself. Could you get me a bowl of chicken soup? I would like to cancel the masala dosa. Why the masala dosa? Because you are specifying a special masala dosa which you ordered. I ordered, and when uh, and ordered and have dash plate of tandoori or a plate of tandoori chicken with fried rice instead. Okay, so like this you have to fill from here. Let please get me a glass of water. I would like to have I would like to have the onion masala dosa and no. Okay, excuse me, where is the washroom? What is the specialty? Obviously, can I smoke a cigarette here? Can we sit on? Nothing will use here. Okay, can we sit on upper floor? What is on today's menu? What is on today's menu? On the menu today. On the menu today. Okay, on the menu today. Do you serve a Chinese food here? Serve the Chinese food here. Serve the Chinese food here. Please give me some tissue paper. Nothing will use. Could you tell me the recipe of this? this. Okay, so now making resolutions. Resolution is what? New Year resolution we have all made. New Year resolution. Resolution means that to promise yourself or to promise to someone else. Okay. So if you suppose that you promise to yourself, it's called resolution. If you promise to someone else, it's called simply promise. Okay. Something like that. Okay. So what is the relevant knowledge? Relevant knowledge we should have you ever made a promise to yourself? A promise could be as simple as I will never lose my temper again. Oh wow, it's impossible. It's impossible. Okay. Then I will try to study hard this year and I will get the first division. Whenever you take part in examination and at the time of examination you are unable to attend any question, then the first thing come in your mind is that I will study from here very better, and you do the same thing again and again, you will never get it better. It's true, my students, it's true. Third, I will talk less on mobile. Fourth, I will help mother out to out for I will help mother out with her household chores when she comes home tired from work. I will get 95% marks in marks is missing here. I will get 95% in math this year. And the sixth is I will learn to speak English. I will learn to speak English properly in 6 months. Okay, within 6 months. So these kind of promise you can make to yourself, and there are lots of more promise that I will go to the gym. Don't judge. Okay, I will go to the gym. I will go for a walk. I will do some studies. I will do some extra effort. So it's a what? It's nothing but what? It's nothing but your promises to yourself. Okay, which is called your resolutions. Now next is that it can be in simple future tense. You can use you can use will and shall to relate the future simple that I will try to I will try to see, I will try to learn, I will learn, I will exercise, I will not carry. Okay, but on the other hand you have said B, I try to learn English well. So here when you say I try to, here when you say I try to, it means that you will definitely try. Okay, what means that when you use will and shall, when you use will and shall, there's some kind of suspense, there's some kind of possibility that you will not do. That's like I say to you, I will kill you. I told you I will kill you. Okay, I will kill you and I shall kill you. There is little bit difference between both. Actually, the correct grammar is I shall kill you, but I will kill you stands there that I will definitely kill you means that yeah, I'm in temper and I can do that. Okay, that's like something. So I will try to learn English very well. It means that you will try to learn English very well. I will sorry, yeah, there is. I try to learn English well and I will try to learn English well. So if whenever you use this will and shall, then there may be some kind of future tense, maybe some future. You will, maybe, may not be. Okay, you will. But when you say I try to learn English well, then from here, whenever you say I try to, it means that from this point of time, from this time, whenever you are saying this word, after that you will try from that particular moment you will study, you will gonna be try. Okay, I try to see fewer movies from here, and this type of examples are there. Okay, so you can see the difference between the both set A and set B of the sentences. The set of the sentence simple future tense, and the second one is the fact or a habit. Okay, fact or a habit that I will not, I exercise. I definitely exercise. Means that I exercise morning for 1 hour. You will, definitely you will. Okay, I take care about the dogs in my colony. क्या होगा, आप लोग कुत्तों का ध्यान रखिएगा, कॉलोनी में रखिएगा, मतलब रखिएगा, क्या बोला, रखिएगा ना। चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं अपन। नाउ एक्सरसाइज। एक्सरसाइज इज I promise to, I promise I will never, yeah, I will, I resolve never to, and this is your promise. Whatever you make, you wanted to make, you can make your promise. Okay, now assessment. From the following options, select and take the one that is a simple future tense. So it's very easy. I will not smoke, I will not smoking, I will not smoke. Obviously, it's option A. So it's very easy, and this assessment is your homework. So whatever you have to do, you have to just simple write session 2, session 2। पहले आप क्या लिखोगे यहाँ पे, यूनिट 1 session 2 assessment। उसके अंदर क्या लिखोगे, फर्स्ट का सही आंसर ए है कि बी है या सी है, कोई एक लिखोगे। ठीक, सेकंड का ए सही है, बी सही है या फिर सी सही है। थर्ड का कौन सा सही है, ए लिखोगे या तो बी लिखोगे या तो सी लिखोगे। इस तरीके से आपको लिखना है, ज़्यादा दिमाग नहीं लगाना है कि पूरा क्वेश्चन उतार कर रख दिए, इतना काम नहीं करना है। ठीक है, स्टडी स्मार्ट नॉट स्टडी हार्ड। ओके, so these are your exercises, which is very simple. You just have to find the simple future tense and you will. Now talking about change, relevant knowledge what we should have. So change is necessary. Why change is necessary? In your life there is not any kind of thing which can still stood always with you. Once there will be a moment, then your life will become change. It's a true, it's true, and it's relative to your life, and people just ignore that, they don't believe it gonna be hell, but it hell, because it's a law of nature. So let's see, nature, very big thing, COVID-19. Okay, have you ever thought about it? But what, today we are in lockdown condition. Let me tell you a story little bit. uh, there was my friend named Neeraj who is very close to me, and once in a library, we was in library of our university, and we were discussing about the environment. At that time I suggest him that if it is possible to bring down all the public transport, all the factories and all the production of all over the world for 10 to 10 days, so that the environment can get a relief. And and he just replied, pagaloka. He just said pagaloka. But at this time we are suffering from same condition named lockdown. Okay, so study from home, stay home, stay safe, don't get panic, just relax yaar, everything will be gonna best. Don't panic. Okay, don't panic, even not a for single second. Because why I'm saying to be not panic, because after panic you can't do anything now. You can't do anything. If there's not any kind of possibility that you can do, what you can do, you can get your temper, you can break your devices, you can break your something. You will get this mobile and you will break it. Yeah, कुछ हो नहीं रहा है, घर में बोर हो रहे हैं, बोर हो तो हो जाओ यार, क्या कर सकते हो, what we can do, we can't do anything. Whatever the government say, whatever the expertise say, we have to follow that guideline, nothing else, nothing we can do that. Okay, and while you are studying, You have to study because whenever the school will reopen, then you should have a proper knowledge of what subject. Okay, you will not be blank completely. And second and most important thing, your session, your course which is completed once will not be discussed again. So please be attentive in class. Okay, so what is talk about change? You will learn how to talk about the change. Read aloud and try to understand from the example given below. Change for better, to change so as to improve. Okay, he does not watch junk movies anymore, and it is a change for better. He now enjoys serious cinema. Okay, so he's not watching junk movies, he's not watching Iron Man MCU, he's watching what? Serious cinema. That's a good thing. Change for the worse. To change but become worse means that she has started reading novels, but it is a change of the horse as she read them more than her school books. Okay, so क्या हो रहा है कि वो पढ़ना शुरू किया नॉवेल्स, उसने पढ़ने में इतनी मजा आने लगी कि भैया स्कूल की बुक गई कहाँ, डस्टबिन में, और क्या हुआ है, उसने पढ़ना शुरू कर दिया नॉवेल। पढ़ना तो अच्छी बात है, लेकिन इतना भी ज़्यादा नॉवल पढ़ना अच्छी बात नहीं है, हालांकि मैंने कुछ ही पढ़ रखी, ज़्यादा पढ़ी नहीं है। Change with the time, to accept and adapt to new development. Our school is changing the times. Now we have computer lab with free internet connection. क्या है, हमने इंटरनेट कनेक्शन आपको फ्री करा दिया। कहाँ पहले 1 GB हम लोग यूज करते थे 1 मंथ। क्या सोचो 1 मंथ, हमको वो समय याद आता है तो हमें बड़ा अफसोस होता है। सोचो 1 महीने में हम 1 GB डाटा यूज किया करते थे, उसमें भी हमारा लास्ट में होता था कंडीशन, महीने के लास्ट में, कि 1 GB डाटा हमारा खत्म होने वाला होता था। तब हमको लगता था कि भैया क्या चलाएं क्या ना चलाएं, नेट ऑफ ही रहता था, बहुत जरूरी होता तभी नेट ऑन करते थे। इस तरीके से हम लोगों ने नेट यूज किया है। तुम लोग की तरह इफरात नेट नहीं था, इफरात मतलब कि एक्सेसिव नेट नहीं था। यहाँ पे ये 3 GB पर डे का पैक पड़ा है, 5 GB पर डे का पैक पड़ा है, चलाओ कितना चलाना है, नहीं। यूट्यूब वगैरह बहुत सोच समझ के खोलते थे हम लोग। तो हम लोगों ने वो सभी इस समय देखा हुआ है। खैर, बाय द वे आ जाते हैं ठीक से नंबर में, बहुत ज़्यादा टॉपिक्स से भटक जा रहे हैं। So now we have a computer lab with an internet connection, ये भी अच्छी बात है। So for a change as something different. So why don't you wear a salwar suit for a change? Why you always wear साड़ी? मतलब साड़ी ही क्यों पहनना है? अरे तुम स्पाइक रख के देखो ना कैसा लगता है। अरे स्पाइक रख के देखो, दोस्त कहते नहीं कि स्पाइक रखो भाई, स्पाइक स्पाइक से अच्छे लगोगे, कहते हैं कि नहीं कहते आपके दोस्त, बताइएगा कमेंट करके। तो ये क्या होता है, इस तरह की जो आपके चेंज इन लुक होता है, ये सब क्या है, नॉर्मल चेंजेस, चेंज for a change. Okay, time for a change, and an expression would used when it time to make change. Okay, so I asked her if she wanted a cake for her birthday, and she said it's time to change, let's have pizza instead. उसने क्या कहा कि चलो भैया पिज्जा खा के देखते हैं, जरूरी थोड़ी कि केक ही खाए हैं। उसको केक पसंद था तो केक मंगवाई यार, हमको पिज्जा पसंद है तो उसको पिज्जा पसंद है, उसने पिज्जा मंगवाया, तो थोड़ी कि केक खाए। Times are changing. A person made when you hear a surprising piece of news. Man, today charged me rupees 500 for this tie woman. Well, times is changing. The ties do not cost 100 rupees anymore. Okay? Sea changes, major changes. There is a sea change in the choice of career. Many youngsters are more interested in MBA nowadays than in medicine or civil services. So sea changes means what? A major change. A major change. Okay. Time changes. Time change. As time passes, different things become acceptable. Okay. समय सब कुछ सिखा देता है, ठीक। Now, active and passive, you have a very good knowledge about it, active and passive wise. I don't know why I'm going to teach you, but it's on the syllabus, so I have to tell you. Active, the hair stylist changes the color of hair. Passive, the color of my hair was changed by hairstylist. So what's the difference between both? Here you are focusing on your hair style, here you are focusing on hairstyle, but here you are focusing on hair stylist. आपको बताना है कि भैया देखो, मेरे बालों का कलर नाई ने चेंज किया था। अनदर, आप क्या कह रहे हो कि मेरे बालों का कलर नाई के द्वारा चेंज किया गया। तो जब आप ऐसे बात करते हो ना कि आप उसमें क्या है, जो ऑब्जेक्ट है उसको चेंज करते हो, जब ऐसा आप करते हो तो होता क्या है कि उसका जो फोकस होता है सामने वाले का, वो शिफ्ट हो जाता है सेकंड थिंग पर। पैसिव, आई वॉज प्रेस्ड बाय हेड मास्टर, नाउ द हेड मास्टर प्रेस मी। तो यहाँ पे क्या है कि आपने प्रेस को फॉर्म बनाया कि हाँ भैया देखो हमको पनिश किया गया, किसके द्वारा, हेड मास्टर के द्वारा। क्या इंपॉर्टेंट है, हेड मास्टर। अब यहाँ पे क्या है, ये हेड मास्टर ने मुझे पनिश किया, ठीक, तो वही बात है। सॉरी, पनिश नहीं, प्रेस्ड किया। ओके, सो in certain sentences the passive voice, the subject may not be mentioned, like you should do the work should be done. Okay, you completed the marathon at last, the marathon was completed at last. So he she has she finished her homework, has her homework been completed. So this is very simple. Now exercise, you have to tick the sentences if you're not active voice or in passive voice. You can done it yourself. This is assessment. Passive voice, this both work is for you, and you have to just note down session 3. First of all, unit 1, session 3, exercise. Okay, exercise, and you will write only numbers from here, 1 to 8, which is in active voice. No, you will write the sentence, whole of the sentence. Okay, जैसे मान लो कि क्या है, एक्टिव वॉइस ना, she believe him, we did not, she believe him but we did not. ओके, इसको आप क्या कर सकते हो, 7 नंबर में इसको करके आप लिख सकते हो। नाउ असेसमेंट, इसमें आपको क्या करना है, पैसिव वॉइस को टिक करना है, इसको आपको केवल टिक ही करना है। ओके, नाउ प्लानिंग एंड आउटिंग, इसका क्या है, इसके लिए एंड आउटिंग कैन बी गोइंग ऑन अ पिकनिक, गोइंग फॉर अ मूवी, गोइंग आउट टू lunch and dinner, or going out for shopping. All such outing requires some preparation. The extent of the preparation may vary depends on the nature of outing. मीन्स जब आप कहीं बाहर जाते हो तो आपको प्रिपेयर होकर जाना चाहिए। जैसे एक बार मैं चला गया शॉपिंग करने यार मम्मी के साथ, अब घर का सामान ले तो लिए, अब विशाल मेगा मार्ट में हम लोग गए हुए थे। अब वहाँ सामान हमने ले लिया, लेकिन हमारे पास कैरी बैग नहीं था। अब उन्होंने कहा कैरी बैग का चार्ज लगेगा। मेरी मम्मी ने कहा यार इतना सामान ले रहे हैं आपके यहाँ से, ऊपर से चार्ज लगेगा। तो उन्होंने कहा नहीं, चार्ज तो लगेगा। उसमें थोड़ी सी हमारी हल्की फुल्की बहस हो गई। तो ऐसा क्या हो गया, क्योंकि हमने क्या किया था, हमने आउटिंग को प्लानिंग ही नहीं किया था, हमने सोचा ही नहीं था कि शॉपिंग के लिए जाएंगे। हम लोग टहलने घूमने गए थे और चले गए विशाल। चलिए, so an outing can be done, can be going for a picnic, going for a movie, going for a lunch, dinner or anything. Okay, so आपका समय क्या हो सकता है, उसी के अकॉर्डिंगली कम या घट या बढ़ सकता है। Imagine that you have a picnic plan, you have a plan a picnic for your family and friends. Now you have to prepare to do list of all that you need to do and take the picnic. Would you like to prepare the picnic? Think. सबसे पहले में क्या होगा, लेट अस गो फॉर आउटिंग, लेट अस गो फॉर पिकनिक, लेट अस ये इतने काम हम कर सकते हैं। ओके, अब हमें क्या होगा कि इसके बारे में हमें सोचना पड़ेगा, क्या क्या सोचना पड़ेगा, कई सारी चीज़ें सोचनी पड़ेंगी कि हमें शॉपिंग करनी पड़ेगी, शॉपिंग एंड हैव लंच आउटसाइड, हमें क्या करना है, बाहर से खाना भी खाना है, बाहर घूमना है। अब आप पूछोगे अपने दोस्तों से कि भैया मूवी देखनी चाहिए, चलो एवेंजर देख के आते हैं। हाँ, शैल वी शैल वी गो फॉर पिकनिक ऑन दिस संडे, हमें कब जाना चाहिए, ठीक है, हमें क्या करना चाहिए, शॉपिंग टिप्स एंड लॉन्च लंच ऑफर्स के बाद हमें क्या करना चाहिए। ओके, नाउ प्लानिंग करना क्या है, आई विल बुक द कैब एंड यू कैन अरेंज द फूड, ठीक है, सब लोग मिलजुल के काम करेंगे। यू कैन टेक केयर ऑफ द प्लेट्स एंड ग्लासेस, हाँ, ब्रिंग द बॉटल ऑफ वाटर, नैपकिन एंड सम प्लास्टिक बैग्स। ये सब आपका क्या है, ये सब आपका यूजेस है। नाउ व्हाट इज प्रोनाउंस, in this session you will learn how to make use of pronouns, the reflexive pronouns discussion in this session, myself, ourselves, themselves, जिसमें आप अपने बारे में बताते हो, वही सब चीजें। In three situations, situation 1, when the subject and the object are the same, for example I hurt myself, Okay, so I मतलब me and myself is about it's again me. The music group calls themselves their trails. Okay, that he shot himself whenever the object and what then whenever the object and the subject are same. Now second, as the object of preposition when the subject and the object are the same. For example, I brought a present for myself. Okay, I she did it by herself. That man is talking to himself. Okay, now third is whenever you want to emphasize the subject, I will do it myself. They ate all the food themselves. No one else had any. No one else will help me. मतलब क्या है, ये कहने के लिए कि भैया देखो, अपना काम मैं खुद करूंगा, मुझे बताना नहीं क्या करना है। ठीक है, इस तरीके जब आप बातें करते हो तो क्या कहते हैं, यहाँ पर भी हम इस प्रोनाउन का यूज करते हैं। किस प्रोनाउन का यूज करते हैं? रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन का यूज करते हैं। सर्च और एक्सरसाइज आइडेंटिफाई करना है, आइडेंटिफाई करके बुक में लिखना है। असेसमेंट भी आपको लिखनी है। मेरा बहुत ज़्यादा होमवर्क नहीं है, हमें मत सिखाना, ठीक है, बहुत ज़्यादा होमवर्क है। ओके, नाउ नरेटिंग अ स्टोरी, आप स्टोरी को कैसे नरेट कर सकते हो? हैव यू एवर बीन टोल्ड अ स्टोरी बिफोर? परहैप्स मैनी टाइम्स। What is that you like the most about the narration of story? Perhaps you like to know what happened to other people or stories that tell you what you could do in a similar situation, or maybe because it helps you to relieve tension and entertains you. You may have many other reasons, then think about them. Okay, nothing is here that I can explain you. Okay, read it very carefully. Okay, so main thing is that whenever you narrate an incident, then what then the our voice modulation and the expression is changed accordingly. Okay, and what would definitely make it interesting to for the listener. Okay, जैसे कि आप क्या कहोगे? At that time of 12 a.m. in dense jungle, there was a grave. So what is meaning of this? You can if you tell the sentence like in 12 a.m. in a dense jungle there was a grave. So what impact more? The first one. When you are wanted to create some horror situation, then you have to create with your voice modulation and the expressions with your face. Okay, two vowels. I don't have idea. So one evening, an old tribunal told his grandson about a battle that goes on inside people. He said, "My son, the battle is between two vowels inside us all. One is evil and one is evil. It is angry, envy, jealousy, sorrow, regret, greed, arrogance, self-pity, guilt, resentment, informality, lies, false, pride, superiority, and ego. And the other is good. This is joy, peace, love, hope, sanitary, humanity, kindness, and extra sympathy. And okay, so it's a way of telling the story. Means that you have to involve yourself. Whenever you say it's angry, then there must be something that comes in your face. Actually, I'm little bit weak in these expressions, but when you say angry, jealousy, sorrow, that after that narrating that sub there narrating that words, you should have some feeling on your face that you are involving yourself to it in it. Okay, now, the grandson thought about for a minute and then he asked Wonderful, which vowels means? Which wolf means? Means like here you can use the language, here you can use uh, some modulation like modulation like children. Okay, modulation like children. The old tribal simply replies, the one you feed. Means that if you feed yourself with the evil, then you will perform like evil. Evil wins. If you fill it with good, then the good will perform. Okay. Now the simple past tense. In this session, you will learn how to make use of simple past tense. My grandmother loved to narrate the story of Ram and Ravan to me when I was young. I used to listen. And this is example of now what you have to do. You have to done this exercise. You have to assessment. I don't think there's any kind of problem with it. Okay. Now from session 6 to session 10. It really is nothing. It's very simple. From 6 to 10, you just have to read once. You have to read once if you can. Okay. From session 6, from session 6 to 10, you have to read once. Only read. Try to read. Okay. नहीं आएगा तो भाई हम हैं ना तुम्हारे बगल में, कोई टेंशन ले लो. ठीक. So for today is done. So this is was your functional English. So session 1 to session 10 is completed today, and it's not completed even. Session 1 to session 5 is completed, but from session 6 to session 10 it should be done by you, and you can let me know if you have any kind of problem. Okay. So thanks for watching the video. Please like and share, comment, and time for review. Here is my video. So it's written here time for review, and you have to review the video. Please tell me know, let me know what should I do to make this video very good, like what you wanted to see, and everything. Okay. This is the channel of mine, Hummingbird Classes. You can like and you can subscribe to this channel and click on the all notification. Why? Because in next time whenever I upload the video, then you don't have to wait for the confirmation in group. You can watch it anytime. There will be a notification in your device that the new Hummingbird Classes uploaded a new video, and from there you can just simply watch my videos, okay, before the time. Okay. So I think it's sufficient for today. See you in the next one. Bye. Good night. Sorry, it's about 4 a.m. not good night. So stay home, stay safe. Okay, and bye.